So, in terms of algorithms, we hear a lot. That word is used all the time now, right? We hear it all the time on the news, out in the world, uh, on social media. And most of the time, it's sort of like this capital A algorithm where we're like, the algorithm is out to get you. Uh, the algorithm is no different than the algorithms we're going to be talking about today. So Mark Zuckerberg doesn't have some kind of magic. It's not artificial intelligence. It's not anything that special. But at the risk of exposing myself, if I go to Amazon.com, right? Okay, that's not too embarrassing. Um, you can see some of my supplements, but that's okay. Um, the algorithm at Amazon is doing some things here, right? It's saying, oh, hey, pick up where you left off. Looking at owl lamps. Those are not for me. Those are for my wife. Okay. Some of these things are also not for me. But I do claim the toaster oven. Um, Very nice. You got to love a good toaster oven with a hot sandwich inside, right? So Amazon is knowing some things about me based on what? What's that based on? My searches. And right here it says what I bought. So it's an algorithm. It's scary. It's out to get me. No, it's not. It's simple. It's taking data that I produce when I'm clicking around Amazon, and it's taking data from things that I bought, especially things that I might run out of, right? Like vitamins. It's like, oh, you bought vitamins about a month ago. We know that's a 30-day supply. So if you want more vitamins, let us help you buy more stuff from us, right? So the problem that algorithm is trying to solve is what? What's the problem it's trying to solve?
When you're going to try to buy again, or
Yeah, how can I get Bill to buy more crap from us? Right? And that is why Jeff Bezos is rich, because he kind of figured that out, right? If I go to YouTube,
isn't that how medical fields and stuff like that, so like Kaiser Pharmacy and all that, try to keep track of what you buy and what you get?
everybody's doing it, right? YouTube, right? Now,
YouTube does it on the basis of
YouTube, okay, so here you can see my subscriptions over here, right? Some different things randomly. Not all of those are mine. Unfortunately, I have a YouTube app on my Apple TVs scattered throughout my house that my kids use, right? So this gets a little bit weirder because my data is skewed in some specific directions. Um, but YouTube, what's the problem that YouTube is trying to solve? How can we get Bill to watch more videos? Literally, YouTube wants me to watch videos until I starve to death sitting at my computer. And then it hopes that the algorithm plays some more advertisements for me before my power shuts off. Like really, it's trying to squeeze every last dime of advertising revenue that it can out of me. So it's like, okay, you watched a video of a cute little fluffy cat. Let me show you like 20 more of those because maybe you'll watch those too, right? So that's the algorithm. The algorithm.